guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I know it is very late and long overdue, I guess you can say, but I wanted to show you guys what I got during the Sephora. My son's waking up. I wanted to show you guys what I got during the Sephora VIP sale, and I think I honestly got some pretty good stuff, some stuff that I've been wanting to try that I figured, you know what, since we have the sale going on, might as well just get it, right? I mean, who doesn't love a discounted sale? So I kind of splurged, you guys. I did. So let's just jump right into it. I'm just gonna grab whatever's in the box. So the first thing is the Inky List Caffeine Eye Cream. So this is to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. I wake up really puffy in the morning, like around my eyes, because I have so much allergies. Just because, I don't know, I just wake up like really puffy. So I figured this would be like a great product to incorporate into my makeup, my skincare routine. You can use it at night, during the day. You can use it in the morning or at night, it doesn't matter. It says it's a lightweight cream containing caffeine, an antioxidant derived from coffee that helps to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and prevent skin damage from free radicals. And it says here to refrigerate for 30 minutes prior to use to help further reduce under eye puffiness. So a long time ago, because I was always getting so puffy, I actually used to put spoons in the freezer overnight. So in the morning when I would wake up, I put the spoons on my eyes just to like kind of bring down the puffiness. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I will definitely be putting this in the refrigerator. The next product I got, so I had to restock on brow gel, but I didn't want to buy a full size because I like my drugstore brow gel a lot, but I also really love the Anastasia clear brow gel, so I ended up just picking up a small one. The next thing I got is, I don't know if it's LYS Beauty. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it or if it's like Liz Beauty, so I'm just gonna say LYS Beauty. And I got the Secure Skin Gripping Serum Primer. This is a pore and shine control. It has 5% of niacinamide, which is really good for the skin. It helps control the appearance of pores. It has ginger root extract that promotes, oh my god, I'm like so thirsty, that promotes even skin tone, and it has AHA fruit blend, which helps smooth and even the look of texture. It has grapefruit extract that brightens the look of dark spots or hyperpigmentation. So I'm actually really excited to try this. It wasn't that expensive, and honestly, like, the packaging is kind of bougie. It's really cute. It comes like in a triangle like packaging, so I'm actually really excited to try this. I will be doing a full face of first impressions very soon, so keep an eye out for that because I will be incorporating a lot of these products into that video. The next thing I got, which was also like pretty popular, a lot of people were getting it, was the Kosas Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. I did get mine in the shade Comfy, which is a sheer medium. I figured that'd be the best shade right now. The shade I originally wanted was sold out, but I figured since the summer is coming, I'm gonna get tan, I'm gonna get a little darker, so I figured sheer medium wouldn't be that bad. I really love the packaging. It's simple but sleek. I really feel like this will be perfect for my skin tone, and I think I did pretty good with matching it. So I heard just a lot of really good things about this. It says super smooth, no shine, all set. It's an ultra soft sheer setting and smoothing powder baked with skincare actives that help minimize shine and appearance of pores. It has a unique airy texture, gives an unreal finish that feels like nothing on skin. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I'm literally excited to try all these products, you guys. I'm dead honest. So the next product I got because of Juicy Jazz and her recommendation. She has been using this quite often in a lot of her videos lately, so I figured I would get it. This is the Bare Minerals Concealer. This is the Eye Brightener Concealer, and I got mine in the same shade she did, which is Well Rested. So I'm really excited to try this. I've never tried like a powder concealer. So we'll see how that works. Alright, and then I've been dying to try this product ever since it came out. This is a one size ultimate setting powder. I did get a sample size though, just because I didn't want to splurge on like the original big size if I didn't like it, you know. Sephora does have a really great return policy, but I just felt like it was just better to go for the travel size and see if I really like it. I got it in the shade translucent. Heard a lot of good things about this. It leaves your under eye very smooth. The next thing I got, I cannot speak today, you guys. The next thing I got is the Fenty Beauty Instant Warmth Bronzer, and this, I got it, the Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronze. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? I'm like so dehydrated. I got the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer, and I got it in this shade Shady Biz. I love Fenty Beauty's packaging. It's freaking to die for. It's super sleek. I just don't like the, like, once you touch it, all your fingerprints, like, you can see your fingerprints all over it. So this is the shade I got. I feel like it'll be a great shade for me. I also have the cream bronzer that I still haven't tried out, but I'm going to be trying out both products in the same video. And then I got another Rare Beauty foundation. I had recently done a Rare Beauty foundation, concealer, and one of her cream blushes review. Put the video up here, but the shade was too dark for me. At least for right now, it's still too dark for me. I'm not going in the sun a lot yet, so I figured I would just go down a notch, and I ended up getting 240W, hoping that it fits my shade a little better than the other one did, because the other one was just way too dark. I look like an Imbalumba. Didn't like it. So, but the foundation is amazing, you guys. I love the coverage. I love the finish. It's so good. If you haven't tried this, honestly, get on it because it's so good. Next thing I got is these this Glow Recipe. Boy, I cannot talk today. I have no idea what is wrong. I just have so much going through my mind right now. I have so much going through my head. Like, it's just been one of those days. The last few days, I've been like contemplating my life and like what the hell I've been doing. And it's just like, okay, it's been a crazy few days. I got the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I don't know. I've heard some stuff about it. I've heard it's good. This is a cult fave pillow proof gel treatment. It's formulated with soothing watermelon hydrating hyaluronic acid, which obviously is really, really good for your skin, and pore refining AHA for smooth and bouncy, juicy skin. You can use this as a sleeping mask, or you can use it as a wash off mask. That's pretty cool. I'm actually really excited to try this. I've never heard like of a sleeping mask. So, and then I got a few other products that I've actually already started using because I just haven't had time to film until right now, but I've really been wanting to try these products, so I started using this already. So this is the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. Wow, that was a mouthful. So this is what it looks like. It's actually really, really good. I really, really like it. So far, I've used it like 2 or 3 times already, and it smells really nice. I like how it smells. I use it day and night, so yeah, I really like this so far. And then I've also used this one. I just got this too in the VIB sale. This is the Youth to the People Super Clear Purify and Clear Power Mask. This has niacinamide and kombucha and BHA, so it's really, really good for your skin. I feel like my nose area where I have so much texture, this helped literally like smooth and just take away all that texture, like everything that was just built up in my nose, because I get a lot of like little whiteheads on my nose. I feel like this just took all that out, all that gunk out, and my nose was so smooth afterwards. I was just so shocked, you guys. So definitely pick this up as well. honestly, like, just looking right now, I didn't get that much stuff, but it still ended up being pretty pricey because I was only just like a regular, like a beauty insider, so only got 10% off. Not like others where like they got 15-20% off. But I am a VIP something, I don't know. So next to like I get like 15% off, I believe. So obviously I will get more products that I've been wanting to try out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty haul. I will be trying these products out, letting you know how they work for me. So make sure you are subscribed and you have clicked that bell so you're notified every single time I upload. I do upload 3 days a week, Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sundays. Honestly, the time varies, so I'm not even going to give you guys a time because I never have a specific time. But those are the days I upload. I haven't been uploading consistently those days the last 2 weeks because I have been swamped with schoolwork and with the babies, and my mom just got back from vacation, so I'm finally able to start filming again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next video.